Well, hello, travelers, and happy Friday. Todd and Michelle here. We're traveling around Disney, and we have made our way up to the Winter Garden Plaza, which is only 15 minutes north of the Magic Kingdom, because we're going to try right over here UNO's Pizzeria and Restaurant, and they have a dessert right there.
Right behind us.
Right there behind us.
You're pointing weird. That's
no, right there, right there, right over there. Because my daughter Rebecca, who is with us today, sent me a picture of one of their desserts. So we're going to go try their desserts, plus try some of their food. So come along and let's see what UNO Pizzeria has to offer us today. So established in 1943, it says UNO Pizzeria and Grill. This is up in the Winter Garden Plaza, like we said, right off of the 429. If you're coming 429 going to Disney, it's just 15 minutes north of Disney. But they do have outdoor seating right over here, and the entrance is right over here. If you're familiar with the Winter Garden area, there is a Super Target right across the street there. It's all in one big plaza. There's a Lowe's, there's a Bell's, there's a Kirkland's down there, there's an Ulta. Everything that you need or that you may have forgot when you came on vacation, you can run up to this Target and get it. And it looks like they do have express lunches from Monday through Friday. Soup, salad, pizza, soup, or salad starting at $9.49. So might be a good deal. We've never eaten here, so let's go give it a try. Great looking interior. Right over here, they have TVs that you can watch. Looks like they may have a bar too. I see the family right back there. And yes, they do have a bar right over there, so that's also nice to know. Nice little cozy benches too. I like this one right here. It's pretty neat. Well, hello, travelers. We've made our way into the fantastically designed UNO's here. I'm really digging the vibe. We're not really sure what kind of vibe. It's more like an Italian.
That's what they do with the card game.
Yeah, it's kind of like Italian pizzeria meets Bennigan's. We're not sure, but it's really nice. Michelle is here.
Giordano's that we've done previously with like the deep dish pizzas and stuff. So you can check out that video if you're interested. It's kind of like a similar kind of pizza.
Yeah. So there's the front page, and then we open it up.
Good, how you doing?
Pretty good. How are you doing? And then this page right here, drinks, libations, of course, and then specials, wines, all that good stuff. More there, and then we get to the deep dish pizzas, the thin crust pizzas, and the create your owns right there, and they look fantastic from the picture. I hope they look like the picture. Oh, and they actually have Italian dishes also. Right there, signature salads. And then over here on this page, they have their seafoods and steaks, burgers and sandwiches. And then on the back page is all their lunch specials right there. So since we came to UNO Pizza, they are known for their deep dish pizzas, which are right here in all the sizes, as you can see by the prices, and the different varieties right here. Kind of like Giordano's, but a little different brand of pizza, I guess. But the Chicago Classic right there, I think me and Michelle may get one of those to split. Not sure what the kids are going to get yet. But the individuals are only $14.99. It comes with 6 slices, so that might be enough to feed at least 2 people. But I think we might go with the $24.99 one, the 10-inch right there, 8 slices. We're going to amend that. We're going for the 12 right there, since we got 4 people at the table. That way we can share and they can still get what they like. Okay, so me and Michelle are going right here with the Chicago Classic. Mike is going right here with the Chicago Meat Market, but the small version. And then Becca's going with a thin crust down here, the Bianco, somewhere right there. I can't even see it down there, but that's what she is getting. We'll have plenty of pizza to share. So we all got pizza, that's what we're having. But these pasta dishes look really scrumptious, along with the salads right down here. They do have steaks, but I'm one of those that, why come to a pizza place and get steaks? But hey, Some people just love steaks, and the salmon's right there also. We did get an appetizer, and we got the loaded right there. The loaded nachos. So can't wait for them to come out. It smells really good in here, so we'll see how this goes. We've actually got these two joining us tonight. Becca and Michael right over there. They're joining us. So we're here, like I said, it's only a 15-minute drive north of the Magic Kingdom. And this is the Winter Garden Village.
Yes.
Where the Target and all the shops are. So we're going to give it a try. Never been here before. Can't wait to try the pizza.
Bunch of good places up here to eat.
Yeah, there is. Like right across the street, Chick-fil-A. Longhorns is right across. Yeah, Michelle's favorite Longhorns is right across the street. Cracker Barrel.
McDonald's, Wendy's,
Arby's. Bonefish. Macaroni
Express.
Grill. Panda Express.
Chili's.
There's a
It's
new.
about to be, a lot of people may know this, I think if you live in Texas.
Okay.
It's called Torchy's Tacos.
Torchy's Tacos?
It's pretty
Where's that going to be?
That's going to go where that Red Robin is.
Where the Red Robin?
Last
Okay.
Taking over.
There we go. No more Red Robin. No more Red Robin.
Dome Creamery is up
Yeah.
there.
And so, yeah, Cold Stone's right beside
Cracker Barrel.
Torchy's Tacos.
Cracker Barrel is
Cracker
a
Barrel.
road trip staple.
Kentucky
Yeah.
Fried Chicken's up there.
And it's right off the 429, so you can actually get off, eat, and then get back on to go to Western Way, if that's how you go to Disney. So we are waiting for our appetizers, and we can't wait to give this a try. There's my nacho. We're going to give these a try. Ready? Let's give these a try. Ooh, that looks like a good one.
did. I got them.
Cheers, honey. Right there. Here we go. I'm with you. The chips are really good. Ooh, a little spicy. Must be that jalapeno in there. These are good. Very nice. We just finished the nachos. We're going to say it's more like a taco nacho, not an Italian nacho. So I thought they would have been more like mozzarella, meat sauce, and stuff like that. But it's just like a regular nacho, just baked in the deep dish pan. We're getting ready to try our pizza.
I can sweat the legs.
Right there. Look at that.
No? Okay.
Michelle put hers on a fork. I'm going to eat it like this. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
Cheers. Here we go. I like the bottom. That is really good.
I like the sausage and the bigger tomatoes in this one.
I agree, and there's a ton of cheese.
Very
A ton of cheese on this pizza.
You would expect the deep dish to like swirl apart, but it doesn't. It stays like a little pot. Tons
And
of
I think
cheese.
that's from the rack on the bottom, making that crust. This is a fantastic pizza.
How's yours, Mike?
I like this.
I'm going to give you guys a...
How's yours, Michael?
Delicious.
Delicious. And we got a bigger one so we can share it. So if anybody wants some. Becca gave us a piece of the Bianco
It's like flatbread.
flatbread.
Yeah, then
Here,
try.
I'm going to cut this with Mom.
I was about to say, you need to try it though. You like garlic, right?
Here.
Oh, jeez.
There we go. We're going to give this a try. Here we go. Cheers. Oh, man. That's like a... It's like a good garlic bread.
Yeah.
I got it, but it's really good. Like a cheesy garlic bread. That's how I would describe that right there. We really enjoy the large cut tomatoes in there, and I want you to look at how thick the cheese is. It is just so thick in there.
Let's see. How you doing?
I'm on my second piece, and I don't even know if I can finish this because we still got to get dessert
It is actually...
for the reason we came here. But look at that. That is a beautiful piece of pizza right there.
No, I'm done.
Michelle over there.
You have one side for this. and one
It's hard
side
to
for
say though, to be honest. I love
One side
the
for yours,
inside of the
you
pizza, but
probably
I don't
get
like
pretty
this kind of crust.
You don't like that kind of crust?
It's a biscuity kind of crust.
Yeah,
and
it is
not
that. It is that.
Oh, yeah.
So,
Like,
yes. Which I will eat because I enjoy the crust. Okay, so we got our pizza. We're going to box it up, the rest of it that we got. But we got our check, and we did find out for all our Disney cast member friends out there, you get a 10% discount here. So, did not know that, so that is nice to know. They just apparently started this new menu with the desserts right here. But this is all the desserts there, and I can actually show you a picture of how they all look on a plate. But I didn't even see the tiramisu. I should have got a piece of that, but I think the bread pudding bites will be
I think
perfect.
they're good.
Yeah, I do too. That's them right there. Look
I
at
want
that.
bread pudding bite bites.
Oh, that looks good. Oh, they smell fantastic.
I always have to wait. I try to
We
be so
came
patient.
just for this because Becca said we gotta go try these.
Are they hot? No.
They are hot.
Yes.
Yes, they are hot. Oh man, and they're nice. Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
Here we go. Look at that. Oh, the
Crispy
ice cream's
bread
gonna drip.
pudding.
Here we go. What's it called? Sweet bread?
Bread pudding.
Bread pudding.
Bread pudding. I thought you
Crispy
said
bread
sweet
pudding
bread.
bites.
Oh,
Bread-
crispy bread pudding bites.
Cheers.
Cheers, baby. I could have got 2 orders of these.
You kind of remind me of French toast. You know?
French toast sticks.
Yes.
They are crispy on the outside. Inside's a little mushy.
Well, it's because it's bread pudding. But I do think they remind me of French toast sticks.
Yes. They do. It tastes like a French toast stick that's been
Yeah.
guillotined.
That's been chopped it out. So,
It's alright. For
Yeah,
me,
they're
5
not
out,
bad.
5 out of 10. It's sweet.
yeah, I'd give him that. I'd give him that. I thought they'd be a little bit bigger. But hey,
I don't like the mushy.
okay. I enjoy them.
What do you guys think?
Becca's agreeing with our synopsis.
I mean, it's a sweet dessert, but it's not like.
It's got the texture if you leave a French toast stick in the syrup.
Yeah.
It's got that texture.
Yeah, it's got soggy from the syrup.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is our synopsis of
But
this.
taste, it's good.
Yeah,
Texture.
I agree. So we did find out that UNO Pizzeria was the first pizzeria. So they were the first with the deep dish, so that's why their name is UNO Pizzeria. Also, another fun fact here, another tad tip. They carry local breweries here. So they got Crooked Can, is it Buddha?
Funky Buddha.
Funky Buddha and
And
Medora out of Tampa. So they do have local breweries here for drafts
say?
and stuff like
It's
that.
the birthplace of deep dish pizza.
The birthplace of deep dish pizza says it right on the box. We did not know that. We enjoyed the pizza, the dessert. I enjoyed the dessert,
Nice.
I
and
enjoyed the dessert.
I really thought the nachos would be more pizza-like,
Reheating structure.
not taco-like. But other than that, it was really
Showed you
good.
how to reheat that stuff.
Oh,
But look, we got a ton going on.
yeah, got a pizza going home. Sending this with the kids.
Oh, here. Order online.
Order online right there.
That's what we were gonna do on DoorDash. That's why we found
And
it.
like I said, Beck and Mike, anytime we can have dinner with the kids, it's always a pleasure. So we had a great time tonight. It was really good. Really, really good. Uno, we love the deep dish. The nachos, we could have got something else. We didn't care for the nachos. But the deep dishes we all liked because of the fact of the crispy crust on the bottom. We enjoyed that.
I did like their pizza though.
Yeah, I did too. So the
bottom crust was
chunkiness
crispy.
of the tomatoes, it was really good. So if you're up in this area, stopping by Uno's Pizzeria, and
DoorDash, right?
Or even if you have one in your area.
do they DoorDash?
They do. Mm-hmm.
They do
That's how we saw
DoorDash,
it.
and like Becca said, if you got one in your area, give them a try. But we're going to go on to continue our bites right there. And travelers, like we always say, until next time, travel and adventure is out there.